Life is beautiful and short. Those with real inner and outer beauty are what make us real beauty goddess. My makeup artist helped me doing my professional shoot, but in my private life, my tips would be red lips. Because red lips is all I want, you know. Don't have to wear a lot of makeup. Life is beautiful and short. Those with real inner and outer beauty are what make us real beauty goddess. My makeup artist helped me doing my professional shoot, but in my private life, my tips would be red lips because red lip is all what I want. Don't have to wear a lot of makeup, you know.